Hi darlings, welcome back to this channel. This is olyscuisines channel, and I also have an Instagram channel, and I just love to cook and share recipes. So this video is a pancake video. I share with you how I make pancake and the measurement for this very one I made. This was interesting to make. I enjoyed filming it, and this is just me taking the measurements, writing them down, and showing you guys the process. Every other thing you need to know would be displayed on the screen or would be in the description box. So enjoy the video. You're playing a game and you're asked to choose the character you want. This is the time for you to choose your weapon. Is it honey? Is it syrup? Is it chocolate syrup? Is it strawberry syrup? For your pancakes, of course. And I am here to tell you that if you're looking for a trusted brand to get honey from, unadulterated honey, you can get this from Mima's Honey on Instagram. I am going to leave the name in the description box and on the screen as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.